Welcome to a baby led weaning recipe. Are you a parent who find yourself lacking patience during feeding time, running with a spoon behind your baby? Or do you find spoon feeding is stressful? Or you wanted to introduce variety of foods? Or you feel like your baby is insisting to self-feed, giving signs like staring at you while eating when they are just 4 to 5 months old? Or you don't want to do special food all time for your baby? Then you have come to the right place. Feeding should not be stressful time. It's not good for either the parent and the baby. Have you considered trying baby led weaning? Instead of using a spoon, you can introduce soft, age-appropriate finger foods. This approach encourages independence and allows your baby to explore food at their own pace. Plus, it can be a lot of fun. We are here to help you on your baby led weaning journey, providing you with nutrients and easy to make recipes and that are perfect for introducing solid foods to baby. Our recipes are designed with your baby in mind, and we do maximum South Indian recipes featuring soft and safe foods that are perfect for self-feeding and exploring new flavors and textures. From homemade purees to finger foods and beyond, we cover a wide range of recipes that are suitable for different stages of your baby weaning journey. Before that, I can understand that parents wanted to give their utmost care for baby food and searching a healthy recipe over internet all the time. Let me say, BLW baby most often eats from the family pot. That is, when you cook for your family, take a small share out before adding chilies or salt. And that's how BLW works, and that's the basic fundamental of BLW to make your life easier. And if you are adding veggies, it should be little bigger in size than us. For example, if you are making sambar, pick up the lengthy vegetables before adding salt to the sambar. Wash the veggies and offer your baby. It's not that their tummy needs to fill with finger food. This is just a complementary foods other than breast milk until they are 1. It's not necessary to find a special recipe to cook for your baby all time. They just need to explore and enjoy all kinds of vegetables and fruits. It's not that you have to follow only these recipes for your baby in 6 months or 7 months or 8 months. Each baby is different and their capabilities also vary. So don't compare. A mom can always understand better what suits best for the baby. Trust in your decision and you will be right. You can have this channel as a reference, just like you can combine ingredients and have faith that this ingredient will not hurt your baby. It's not that your baby should always love the food what you have served because you have spent time on cooking special food for your baby. Some days it will be a hit. Some days your baby just needs your hug and warmth than food. Offer them what they expect. It's okay to eat less or skip a meal. You may find it difficult at first, but trust the progress. You will be surprised at the end. This BLW will make your parenting weaning life easier, and as days goes by, you will not be stressed on what your baby eats will your baby's stomach is full. When you go on to a restaurant, you may not worry to traditionally feed your baby. You can enjoy your own meal. They will enjoy their food too. This is what BLW all about, making you and your baby life much easier. I personally follow this advice for feeding baby. It may be useful for you too. The parent is responsible for what, when and where. The child is responsible for how much and whether. Said by the feeding expert Ellyn Satter. Let the child decide how much to eat. So this is what the channel is all about. I hope you could have got some idea about what BLW is. Check the description and watch the playlist on when to start BLW, what to offer and lots. And I'll be sharing tips and opinions and some recipes on how the journey will go on the upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you find it useful. Hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss an update. We'll keep you posted on our latest uploads so you can continue delighting your baby. Share this channel with other new parents seeking BLW on South Indian recipes, and let's create a community of BLW babies. Until next time, happy weaning. Bye bye.